And you are seeing that there is actually a lot of upcoming listings that got delayed. Let's talk about the Roblox. So I was so happy that Roblox was finally getting listed, only to realize that Roblox listing just got delayed again, but this time by the SEC. So guys, it was supposed to be December, it got delayed February, and now this is month of February, it's still delayed. Why? David Bajoki, what's happening? So Roblox stock market debut delayed again, this time by the SEC. This is David Bajoki. So its valuation skyrocketed to 30 billion earlier this month. Despite a January that saw an influx of companies going public via an IPO, Roblox direct listing won't be joining them anytime soon. The SEC is looking into how the company recognizes revenues. Roblox expected the shares to debut on the NYSE. The Series H was supposed to raise at least the direct listing seek after it raised 520 million, meaning they're not raising money in the direct listing, right? So only the venture capitalists who want to exit can exit. This one is actually led by Dragoneer and Altimeter. More than 7-fold increase from their valuation just February at $4 billion. So imagine that people are willing to pay 700% higher in just 7 months. 7-fold in 7 months. Well, not necessarily 7 months. February to February, that's 12 months. This is not the first time that the public listing hopes were put on hold. In fact, it said that the public offering was they wanted to guard against an outsized first day share price pop, which was a dramatic feature of debuts when Airbnb and DoorDash went public in December. That led Roblox to change the plan to go public via direct listing instead of traditional IPO. So the SEC review is based on concern about how Roblox recognizes revenue from the sale of Robux, a currency used on its platform by players to buy goods like weapons, clothes, and avatars. So basically virtual skins. I hope that Roblox actually gets listed, but it is a blockbuster company. But you know how nosebleed the valuations today are, and so some venture capitalists that you heard was Dragoneer. For those who are not aware who Dragoneer is, Dragoneer actually has 2 SPACs, DGNR and DGNS. So guys, this is still at 30% higher. It's not yet as nosebleed as you think. It starts at $10. This is at $13.50. This is DGNR growth opportunity. This is DGNR growth opportunity 2. So these are massively venture capital with track record, just trading at about $13 and $12. This is $12.35. It even briefly touched $11.50. I think that with the increase of margin requirements, some retail might actually be selling their SPACs, and these are the SPACs that are actually interesting to pick up. What else are the interesting SPACs to pick up? All right, let's talk about some interesting SPACs.